Hello all of you people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be the first installment of my subscription unboxings. Obviously we're going to be unboxing Boxy Charm today, but the first box that got to my door was Boxy Luxe this month, which is really awkward. Normally Ipsy beats them, but Ipsy's been a little bit behind the curve these past few different months. Boxy Charm's been beating them a few times. So yeah, I'm actually starting off with Boxy Luxe. If you guys don't know what a Boxy Charm is, it's obviously a makeup subscription box. They've got a bunch of different tiers. I'll gladly go ahead and insert them onto the screen over here for you guys so you guys can see the difference. I feel like a broken record if I repeat it every single time, but I'll also have a link down below. It's not necessarily an affiliate link, but it's more or less it just gets me points towards getting more makeup. But yeah, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and let's just go ahead and get into it. So if this is your first time to my channel, I appreciate you guys stopping in and watching. But I post videos probably 2 to 3 times a week, but obviously with Christmas going on and it is the holidays, 'tis the season of giving, so I'm trying to post as many videos as possible. I'm trying to participate in Vlogmas, not necessarily just vlogging, but just posting as many videos as possible, but I'm also giving back, so we do a lot of giveaways. Actually, I do a monthly giveaway on my channel every single month, which is where I give away products from my subscription box, which I subscribe to Boxy Charm with 2 boxes, and Ipsy getting the Glam Bag Plus. And I just put the stuff that I'm not really interested in into a giveaway every single month, and yeah, but obviously with the season going on, I am giving away a little bit more, so pay attention. If you guys want to go ahead and enter into some of my giveaways that I've got going on, then don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got about 3 different giveaways that are going on right now at the moment as we speak. So again, don't forget to look back on my channel and see what giveaways are going on. Make sure you read the descriptions down below in them. Obviously, there's not a giveaway in this video, but there will be one coming up shortly once I finish going through all of my subscription boxes. So you're going to want to stay towards the end or just watch this video all the way through so you can actually see what's going to be in that future giveaway. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get into the box. But before we do that, I gotta change my battery because it's about to die. So let's do that first. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get into this box. We do have this fancy little card right here, which is going to tell me a lot of the stuff. So in the Boxy Charm Luxe, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. I've gotten 7 before. It's supposed to be, I think it's anywhere between 6 to 7 products, I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check that because I just had it pulled up on my phone. So Boxy Luxe is supposed to have 8 plus items in there. The box is $50 and you're supposed to have over $395 of a value. So we're going to go ahead and get into this box. I will try and list the prices in this video like I always do, and then we'll put the total all together at the very end. So the very first item which is in this box is going to be these Luxe brushes. So Luxe brushes we've gotten a lot of times in these subscription boxes. Obviously, spoiler for myself, I went ahead and watched a few videos of people of influencers that were unboxing Boxy Charm because some of them are on the PR list, like Manny MUA and Allie Dawson, and I was able to watch Manny's and Allie Dawson's videos, so I kind of spoiled myself on what I was getting in this box. The only reason why I did it is because I was slightly a little bit of a ditz and I forgot to choose my items for this month. So I have no idea what I'm getting in my December boxes because I forgot to put the reminders in my phone for me to go ahead and choose my items for this month. But I made sure to do it for next month. So I definitely made sure to choose my items for next month. I chose them for, I forget even which box I chose for because I get 2 boxes a month. So I don't know, but this, I spoiled myself by kind of looking at like the sneak peeks of what everyone was doing, and I just hope I don't get any of the BS products that they were talking about. So yeah. Anyway, so we've got these Luxe brushes. These Luxe brushes, let's see, are the glitter and gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes from foundation, contouring, highlighting, blending. This set has all you need to create the perfect holiday look. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red pouch. So this is what it looks like. It has the words Luxe on the front of it. It kind of feels like a suede type of material. Obviously you can see the word Luxe on the front. I It opens up just like this, and then we have the brushes on the inside. So it looks like we do have a contour brush, a highlighter brush, like it said, some eyeshadow brushes on this side. So you got the face brushes here and the eyeshadow brushes on this side. Now this one is, does it have a spoolie at the end? So it doesn't. This is an eyeliner brush. It does not have a spoolie at the end, which kind of sucks. I wish it did because I love a multifunctioning brush. And then we also have that really cool contouring brush, which is the one that's really thin. So super cool. I'm interested to see what else I've gotten here. I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side for right now, and then at the very end, like I said, we'll go over everything that we got. I don't want to really go over all the prices. Well, I guess I could. So these Luxe brushes are worth $85. So I don't even know how many brushes were in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 8 brushes in here. So each brush being valued about $10, which seems, you know, pretty sensible. There's Luxe brushes. Morphe brushes are about the same as well. So you pay an average between like $8 to $12 for a Morphe brush. I didn't really feel the quality, but Luxe brushes, the majority of the ones I've gotten so far have been really good quality. So we're going to go ahead and put that to the side for now. Then the next item, which is on top, is going to be the Hip Dot Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette, which values at $30. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming god of Cenote. And homage to the sacred underground pool of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of matte shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So this has the cool marbling on the packaging, just like how the previous Hip Dot palette that we got last time, I think it was like 2 months ago that we had it, and this is what it looks like. It didn't have one of those covers over it like normally they do. This looks like a really beautiful palette for sure, but I have enough eyeshadow palettes in my collection for right now. Plus I recently just got an eyeshadow palette that had blues and stuff in it. From one of my hauls previously, which was the Kylie Cosmetics one. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pass this one. I heard Hip Dot has really good eyeshadow palettes, but I have yet to try them out because I've just got too many. And also for the blues that are in here, I also have the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, so we don't necessarily need this one. So this is going to be the first item in this month's giveaway. Towards the end of the month, once I finish getting all my subscription boxes, you know the deal. The next item, which is very sad to see this in my box because I already saw Manny MUA review these and he showed the pigmentation and they're just BS, so I'm not going to go ahead. I don't want to keep these because this just isn't my gist. This might be someone else's gist, but it's just not mine. So these are the Threesome Get in a Hot Mess Rockin' Black, Blue, Green Glitter Gel Eye Pens. So this is worth $40 and you get 3 of these. Now I actually want to see these up in person because I wasn't able, like in the video, you know when you watch videos sometimes you're not able to really see everything, especially if they don't do close-ups, and he didn't really do a good close-up of these. So this is what they look like. They're just gel pens, that are eyeshadow pens. It looks like there is a, like they said, a black, blue, and a green. And it looks like there's also a card in here, so in case you guys want to try out Rockin' Cosmetics, if you put Hot Mess into their code area, it looks like you get 15% off. So I'm not going to go ahead and keep these because these just aren't my gist when it comes to me doing my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the giveaway as well. Again, those are worth $40. There's more stuff that's wrapped up in here. Alright. So the next option that is in here for us is the iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So this Blaze Chaser Face Palette is an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades, buttery smooth velvet powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades from sculpting and bronzing to add natural look and warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and gives you that must-have lift from that within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelight radiance. This is worth $55. Again, I saw Manny MUA go ahead and review this because they actually put 2 different palettes like this into the boxes. So in his premium box, he got some brand he didn't really know, and then in his Boxy Luxe, he got this one. I do remember him saying that this blush shade was really really smooth, but the rest of it was a little bit more on the chalky side. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side for now. I'm not really sure. I don't really own that many things by Iconic London, so I'm kind of curious to try out more of their stuff. I do love, one of my favorite items is the Iconic London drops. I don't remember exactly what the name is, but I love putting those in my foundation and giving myself just a very dewy glow. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that for now. And then going in further into this bag, we've got a few small items right here for us. Now I do see a repeat item. I've actually gotten this before and I don't know where I got it. I'm pretty sure it was either in Ipsy or it was in a BoxyCharm, but it's a repeat item for me. This is the Advent Skincare Intensive Ratifying glycolic acid day moisturizer worth $123. First off, it is in this like plastic packaging, as you can tell. Not really that great. And then it's all scuffed up. Can you see that? It's like all scuffed up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway as well. I'm just going to keep chiving on and keep going into this video. Now the one item I saw that was a sneak peek that I was super excited about is this one. This is my first item from Sunday Riley. So I'm super excited to have this in my collection. This is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So this right here is worth $85. The multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment that rapidly exfoliates and boosts the natural youthful radiance of your skin, helps with fine lines and dark spots, helps, you know, exfoliate dull, unplugged, pore clogging, dead skin cells. It does a lot for your skin, so I'm super excited. I love serums. That's just like one of my favorite things to put on my face at the end of the night. Right now I'm using two different ones. I'm using one from 11 Skin and the other one from The Ordinary, which is their hyaluronic acid face serum right now at the moment. So I'm super excited to add this to my collection. Again, this is $85. So that one I'm going to go ahead and keep. And then we've got two more items in here. So I've got this one, which is kind of wrapped up. I don't know exactly what this is. It looks like it is a hair care product. It is the Reza B Obsessed Love My Leave-In Formulated Glow Infused Shield. 7 majestic ingredients that help with high shine, brilliant radiance, let's see, nourishes with proteins, has oils that helps moisturize, and has antioxidants. So this is what it looks like. I love leave-in sprays, and it says it's for all hair types, so you know your girl's gonna love this, because I actually need to repurchase the leave-in conditioner that I have right now that I spray in my hair, which is from John Frieda, I believe. It's like the one in the purple bottle. So I'm super excited. Maybe this might replace it for right now, so I don't have to go and spend more money since I already spent the money on this. But that is going to be worth $22. And then we've got one more item in here. And this one seems very interesting. I've never received anything like this in my box before. It is going to be the Beauty Co. Original Glam Smile Kit. So we've got a whitening kit in here, which is really weird. I've never received a whitening kit. Now I do have something like this that I purchased last year because I saw an influencer talk about this and it was super cheap. I started using it and then I just kind of got bored of it. I don't know. I'm very skeptical about this right now at the moment. So this is your Butte OG Smile Kit Whitening and Brightening. Your smile within 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. This is worth $89 for this teeth whitening kit. This is what the back looks like. So the packaging basically has a mouth guard right here. You've got the syringe on this side that has the product, and then you have the little light. So I do have a bunch of like gels that I can use. Now this is just a one-time starter kit, so obviously if you like this enough they want you to keep purchasing it, but luckily enough I actually have more whitening stuff anyway, so it doesn't even matter. But I'm kind of skeptical because the mouth guard is like a heavy thick plastic, unlike the other mouth guards that I have are like a nice soft gel, so they're more mouth friendly, I guess you could say. So just very interested if this is a good product or not. If you've ever tried this out before, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. But yeah, that is everything that we got in the box so far. So at the very end of this, to add up the total and go over all the prices, let me get my calculator out really quickly. So we have the $55 for the Iconic London. Sunday Riley is $85. The Hip Dot is $30. The Luxe brushes are $85. You've got the Beauty & Co., which is $89. The Advent Skincare is $123. And you've got the Rockin' Cosmetics gel pens, which are $40. And then the Reza Obsessed Leave-In Conditioner comes out to a grand total of $529, which is way over the value of the box that we're supposed to get, which is over $395. So did we get our value out of our box? Yes, I only paid $50 for this box. Do I feel like I love everything in this box? No, but the Sunday Riley item pays for it, and that was the most exciting item that we got in this box so far. So again, as of right now, going into this month's giveaway at the end, once I finish going through my subscription boxes, hopefully I get my Boxy Premium and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus sometime soon. I should be getting it within this coming week, hopefully so, because that's normally I get it like mid-month sometime, so which it's kind of weird that it's the 12th and I got this box. But I normally get those somewhere before the 20th, before the end of the month, because then I always do that giveaway. But as of right now, these 3 items are going to go into that towards the end of the month. So you've got the gel pens, the Avante Glyconic Moisturizer, and then the Hip Dot palette, which are going into this month's giveaway. So I appreciate you guys staying to the end. Obviously, Vlogmas is going on. I'm going to keep, you know, pouring out videos, pouring out content. So I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel. Again, you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.